Danny,
Who are you?
it's me. Rodney. Rodney Landsberg. I got your email, Danny.
Am I dreaming?
You were waiting for my reply. Unfortunately, I cannot help you the way you want. I cannot physically help you. All I can do is motivate you.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to tell you this. It is true that I struggled too. It wasn't easy to get where I am. And no one helped me. I sent out for help. I asked for help. Not one single person helped me. At first I thought maybe they were better than me. Maybe they're too good to help me. And then I also thought maybe they're intimidated by me. That I'm better than them and they don't want to help me because I'm the competition. But as I grew in the industry, as I grew within, I realized they didn't help me because they didn't want to hand it all on a silver platter. I had to go through what I grew through, okay? I can't help you with anything, Danny. You have to make your own way.
I don't understand.
One day you will. As the more you become successful, you will understand. I mean, you will be successful, won't you? Good. Have a good night's sleep. Keep good, Danny. Keep good. And make your own way.
Wait.